In this video, we are going to write a script for our menu. So in our script folder, I will create a new script and I will call it menu. And now let's open it. Now here I'm going to delete the start and update. For now we don't need them, and here I need another for library, one of them using Unity Engine .ui. Then we need to get the TextMesh Pro library. Then for our multiplayer, we need to get access to our PON library and real time. So phone real time. Now we are going to change the mono behavior to mono behavior PON callback. Now here I'm going to make some variable. So first header for our screen. Under that, the first variable will be public game object main screen. The second one, our lobby system. So our lobby screen. We want public button and play button. And the third header. Now we need two variable here. TextMesh Pro UGUI. And I'm going to duplicate it. Instead of player 1, I will make it player 2. And here game starting text. So now I'm going to make a start function. Inside of the start, play button dot interactable is equal to false. And game starting text dot game object dot set active false. So here we are going to disable our play button, because as long as our player didn't connect to the master server, we don't want that they can play the button. Now here we need to re-enable it. So here public override void unconnect to master. Now for enable it, I'm just copy this line and paste it instead of this line, and instead of false I will make it true. Now I'm going to make a new function for changing our screen. Public void set screen. Inside of the parentheses is our game object and the screen that we want to change. So first we are going to disable all the screens. So here main screen dot set active false. Then lobby screen dot set active false 0. Then we want to enable the requested screen. Screen dot set active to now let's go to update our player name. So here we make a new function, public void on update player input. Inside of that, tmp underline input field. Inside photon network dot nickname is equal to name input dot text. Now we're going to make a function for our play button. And inside, so nets manager dot instance dot create or join room. Now we want to check if we join the room. So here public override void unjoin room. Now here instead of the base.unjoin home, I want to write our own. So here we want to set our screen. So set the screen and the lobby screen. We want to set our lobby screen. So now I'm going to make a new function for joining if the other player also joined the room and we want to update it. So here first I will write pawn RPC. Then under that, void update lobby UI. Now after we making this function, we need to call it there because we want to update that in our computer and also the other computers. So here we need to write photon view .rpc. Inside of that, quotation mark, I want to update lobby UI. Then after that, we need to player, target player, and the parameters. So here we want to update RPC target dot all. So all the players in the lobby. So now we are going to updating our lobby UI. Here we need to write player one name text dot text is equal to photon network dot current room dot get player and player one dot nickname. So the first player that joining the room get the number 1. Now for second player to name the text is equal to photon network dot player list dot length is equal to 2 question so photon network dot current room dot get player list number 2 dot nickname. Then here, so we make it 2 point. It means otherwise. Inside of the quotation mark, 3 dot. And what that means? So that means here we will check if our player, the second player, is joined the room. So we have a 2 player in the room. If so, then we are going to put the name of the second player inside. But if not, that means otherwise. So if not, just 3 dots. That means still no one joining the room. There is no second player in the room. So now in the next video, we are going to work in the rest of our script. See you in the next video.